Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install RAR and zip packing or unpacking app on Vivo Y16. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here try to find app called RAR. It's RAR. Hit the search button, select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch that app. Grant it all file access and go back. Dismiss this notification and the app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.